channel, The Basics of Phonetics. Today, I would like to share you a video on the topic of syllable stress. If you want to be a better speaker, you should know a syllable stress, how a word has to be stressed. That is really helpful for fluent speakers. You know, the people speak English very fluently, but sometimes they pronounce the word not in a proper way. So you can solve out all those things once you know about syllable stress. So here I am to explain you with the syllable stress. The dictionary says, what do you mean by a stress? It is the verbal emphasis placed on one syllable of a word is known as a stress. Okay? It is a verbal emphasis. Emphasis means special attention, special stress is being given to a particular syllable. That is known as stress. And it occurs in English when there is more than one syllable. You know that in the vocabularies there are so many words are there which has one syllable word, two syllable, three syllable, four. It can be even 10 syllable words. But it should have more than two syllables, then only what we may be able to stress a word. So, and one word cannot have two stress. That is another thing. Suppose you take a particular word, we cannot have two times stress on that. So we can stress on only once. And the next point you have to keep in mind that the stress is always falls on the vowel sound. Not on a consonant sound, it always falls on vowel sounds we give stress. And in my previous video I explained to you how to divide a particular word into syllables. And those who are not gone to, you may please go through those videos. And here once again I shall tell you one tip how to identify a word that has got how many syllables. For example, if I take a two-syllable word here, present, when I pronounce that word, how I understood, how you are able to understand that it has got two syllables. Just one simple tips for you. Just keep your jaws here when you pronounce that word. Present. See, when I pronounce that word, how many times my jaws dropped? You just see. Present. See, 2 times my jaw dropped. So that means it has got two syllables. So such a way, if you take any word and just test like this, then you see how many times jaws drops. That many syllables that particular word will have. That's the tips for it. So here I have taken, for the words, the two syllable words I have taken here, and that is noun and adjectives. See, these two syllable words, that is noun and adjectives, and almost 80% of the adjectives and nouns are stressed on first syllable. So look here. Here I have 5 examples I have taken from nouns and adjectives. And you know, noun is the name of a person, place, things, and animals. It can be anything. And so from there, some nouns. See, look here where the stress has been given. It is only on first syllable. And that where it has to be stressed, I have highlighted in the capital letters. Just see. Export, China, table, record, permit. See, all this word I stressed on the first syllable because they are two syllable word and more than that they are nouns. And look at the adjectives. What is an adjectives? You know that adjective is a qualifying word that qualifies noun or another adverb. So you know that. So qualifying word adjectives, see some adjectives here, and here also we stress on the first syllable. Present, purple, happy, clever, slender. So these all words, I stress on the first syllable because noun and adjectives have stress on first syllable and they are two syllable words. Okay, I think is it clear to you? Okay, then let us move to the next one, that is verb and preposition. Okay, here this also are two syllable words, and you know verbs are action words. Prepositions used for connecting the sentences, you know that. So verb and preposition, the rules are just opposite that. Here we give stress on the second part, that is second syllable. Okay, first syllable notes, second syllable we give, because these all are two syllable words I have taken here. We can just check it here. Export, see, two times. So the two syllable word. How to pronounce? We have to give stress on the second syllable. Present, export, decide, believe, forget. See, these all are stressed on second syllable because they are verbs. Same rule is applied for preposition too. Preposition also we give stress on the second syllable. Between, beside, behind, towards, among. See, we are stressing preposition on the second syllable. So in the verb and preposition we give stress on the second syllable, but in the noun and adjectives we stress on the first syllable. Then we have to keep in mind that there are certain words are used as noun also, adjective also, as a verb also. So that time we will get confused. So that time we have to remember the rules that we have learned. See, for example, the word present. It can be used as noun, adjective, and also as a verb. So here, see, I have written sentences here. 3 sentences I have written here. And by using the word present in 3 ways. See, how does it pronounce it? See, once what we have learned, we have practiced, then only what our learning comes out. See, look here. She has 1 foot in the present and 1 foot in the future. See, here this present is used as noun, so I stressed on first syllable present. He was presented a medal. He was presented a medal. See, I stressed on the second syllable because it is used here. What do you know? Is verb presented. That's increasing respect for the present ruler of the country. Here, present is used as for adjective. So here stress falls on the first syllable. So once again, she has one foot in the present and 1 foot in the future. He was presented a medal, embracing respect for the present ruler of the country. See, these are the way the differences comes. This is the first part I explained to you. This syllable stress is part 1. Surely in my next video I will be coming with you more related to the stress and how to pronounce certain words. So I hope you understood this video. If you like this video, you press the like buttons, and those who are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Thank you.